Look at what I got. It's the blue version, so we're gonna go ahead and open this up. I'm really excited to open up the Pixel 2. Been like really anxiously awaiting to use these cameras and test them against this bad boy right here, the iPhone 8. Its iOS counterpart, so Pixel 2, iPhone 8, where there's gonna be a lot of comparisons on this, but first, let's go ahead and unbox it. Let's go ahead and do this. I'm pretty excited. So we'll just slip the top off. This is the kind of blue version, so we are definitely excited about that. There it is. Let's see what else is in the box. Yay, welcome to Team Pixel. Alright, so I assume there's some little booklets and quick start stuff right there. Here is a USB-A to USB-C adapter, USB-C to headphone adapter thingy, that dongle life, USB-C cord, and the charging brick in here. Oh. Cool. All right, so enough about all that stuff. I really don't care what's in there. I don't really know why we do that anymore, but we do. Welcome to Team Pixel. Let's just get on with opening up this sweet phone. I mean, gosh. So there it is. This is the kind of blue edition. I am using it on T-Mobile. I know it's a Verizon edition, but all the Verizon phones are still unlocked. You just can't unlock the bootloader, so no worries there. I really wanted to get the color that was a little bit unique. I see a lot of, you know, black and white and panda ones for the XL. So this is gonna be really cool. I like that it's not really like blue like last year's model. Last year's model was kind of intense with how blue it was. This one is like really dumbed down. It's more of like a blue gray kind of thing. So I'm cool with that. I'm definitely cool with that. It still has, you know, the two-tone metallic finish and then the glass back, your camera sensor, LED flash, and the autofocusing guys right there. There's that sweet blue button. I mean, that's pretty that's pretty sweet. I mean, it's just that blue accent button. I think that's what it's all about right there. I mean, look at that. That is just, you guys just check that out. I mean, that is just really cool. Sweet looking device. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling the back. Very unique. That little accent button. That's sweet. That's that. Very cool phone. It's kind of light. It's kind of light. This thing is kind of light. I know. It's kind of light. I like the feel hand. Nice feel hand. This thing is just like bezel city though. Actually, why don't I just like turn it on and then like set up all my stuff, so we can like see it with the screen on, see the actual bezels. Okay, so I set everything up right off the bat. I mean, it's just like bezel city, basically. This is like the battle of the bezels. That's gonna be a good video on title. I think when I have that in the comparison. A little bit bigger than the iPhone 8. So, I mean, the iPhone 8 is like a 4.7 inch display. Pixel 2 is a 5-inch display. Both of them have like crazy amount of bezels. So you're in bezel city, but the cool thing about the Pixel 2 is that you have these dual front facing speakers. iPhone actually does have dual speakers too, but just the one in the earpiece is the one that's forward facing. But you know, it still sounds good. iPhone 8 has wireless charging. That's kind of a big deal to me. Pixel 2 has got portrait modes and stuff with only one camera. iPhone 8 doesn't. That stinks. So we're gonna go ahead and rock this for a little bit. I'm gonna bench the iPhone 8 pretty light compared to the iPhone 8. I can't believe how light it is. For sure that we're gonna be comparing the cameras on the iPhone 8 and the Pixel 2. I'm using the iPhone 8 because this is they're at the same price point. Pixel 2 and iPhone 8 are at the same price. If you were thinking about going from an iPhone to Pixel, definitely stay tuned. I'm gonna have a lot of cool stuff on the channel comparing them. If you're thinking about going from a Pixel to an iPhone, I wouldn't imagine why you would want to do that, but definitely stay tuned. It's gonna be really cool. I'm gonna do a lot of camera comparisons, gonna do a review against the two, see which one I like better. That's it for me. If you want to see more videos like this, Please subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more camera comparisons of the like and full reviews on both of these devices. iPhone 8, Pixel 2, coming up soon. Thanks for tuning in and see you guys in the next one.